tell me how that changed the day-to-day from pricing.
So it went from being in tune with the market to really working with investment banks on the life cycle of a deal and working with municipalities on coming up with transactions. So like I alluded to, a couple of sports related projects where you're a municipality trying to figure out, okay, this sports team needs X amount of dollars to build a new building or they're going to leave. How do we come up with that? How do we come up with $300 million for Hennepin County to contribute to Minnesota Twins target field? So looking at all of the options that are available, the different financing tools and mechanisms, and negotiating a partnership with the team. But at this point, I'm advising state and local government, not yet advising teams. Now we're all at the table together trying to get something done.